Okay, so as you can see, I am still using Monday.com. I may actually use Monday and Mosin, so I may use both, but I disabled some of the automations, and now this is Sprint 2. So the automation for the Depfu updates, which are related to security dependencies, are now in a security category. And if you go to the main table, right, you can see Sprint 1 and Sprint 2. Some of these are backlogged, a lot in progress. But let me show you these, right? So Depfu, all of these are related to repositories that were from the automations. If you open these, you can actually open the task page. So item description, beta, sprint 1. So this is where you could add that item description, but I do believe it should be yeah, you have the branches list is empty, but you have the git checkout here, which is quite interesting. And then you have the updates. But yeah, this is the activity log. So you could see the status and the different variations. So created, priority type, and then moved to the security group, added the automation website services. So that's a little insight into how we plan to measure or do security updates. Now, since it's no longer like automated, we may just integrate security updates in single sprint for certain repositories, and then you have reach outs, account creations, stuff related to StarCom portal, stuff related to bit badges, and a whole bunch of stuff. And you could actually see different comments. So expires on 11/23. Remember to extend after that. Stuff like that. That could be very useful.